picture. Because we can't wait any longer. We have to let the birds go up. Hello everyone. It's gonna be a very good day. Right now we are setting up both airplanes. Yes. I'm gonna let be a hawk to fly my airplane, and I will be the cameraman. I'm gonna let the airplane fly, and I will cover everything. Wala ko man dilo mga tangke. Wala ka. Wala sa mga ano yan? There it goes. Look at the ailerons. Look at that, it's flying now. Yes, that's okay.
Did you see the pilot inside?
I did not. Oh wait. Are you using ailerons or that rudder? Can you try? Can you use what is the feel of using that the rudder?
One side, that's the wind.
That's very slow. That's the J3. Look at that, it's a J3, it's flying.
I am using that one. I am training it now. But it does not want to move forward.
Look at this pilot. I'm gonna be the cameraman now. Oh, he's enjoying the J3.
It does not want to fly forward.
Check your batteries, ha. Look at that. Oh, look at how big is it. It is. And then we have a lot of spectators now, even if it is too early in the morning. Oh. Look at that manong kalbo ko. And then there's gonna be I'm gonna be flying also. Let's get back to the J2. Okay. It's like a kite. Look at that pilot, oh. He's enjoying his airplane, oh. It's 1 month of hard work or less than a month. He's getting a hand of. Oh, he's enjoying the airplane. What? Okay. I'm standing by. Stand by. This road here?
Yes.
Hey, look at that gliding, oh. Oh, it went inside. It went inside the manukan. Look at that. It went inside the Manok ka no, manong hero. Wala may nanong manok. Nothing broke, be?
Nagkabog lang ang laksa pan.
Kapan, wow, look at that sturdy, how it is sturdy.
Oh, I'm so happy.
You know what? It's the greatest achievement we have ever.
I am be happy.
Yes. Look at that how happy the builder is. So now it's Mike's turn. Mike,
Yes.
where do you plan to land your airplane? Inside the where? The turban?
There also.
Right now, I'm gonna touch my bird dog, so it's a moment of truth. Okay. Look at that! That's my bird dog! When you land it lang. But it's okay if you land hard.
No, I am training.
Can you reduce speed? Throttle. Oh. Okay. Oh. Ha?
Based on counter aeroplano, Mike.
Ha?
I will try my best to enjoy taking video, Mike. I am trimming the aeroplano eh.
Okay,
It goes left and right, so look at that. Oh. It is indication of tail heavy, no? It goes left and right.
Just, we will take pictures lang.
You take picture, you take
Just tell me if you will land na ha. Oh. I got it. Just take it. Oh, look at that. He's like pissing down. Okay, that's not really harsh. Violent. So that's it for this morning. Yes, after year of the day 3 is very happy. I am slightly happy because there's something.
Yes, today is very successful flight and we are both happy.
Yes, we are both happy. And see the next video. So you